Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see does this transparent water glue or the water gum works for this to stop the leakage of the water pipe. See here, in the previous video, I did the unboxing of this water glue which I purchased under 200 rupees. Mainly, I purchased this for to stop the leakage of the kitchen cabinet, which is my granite cabinet. And in this video we'll just test and experiment whether this glue can stop or arrest that pipe leakage. And see here, I'm using this pipe for the water gun which I have purchased for 200 rupees. This water gun which is sprinkling the water like the shower is also under 200 rupees. I also did the unboxing of this product. What I'll do is I'll be dropping those links in the description. You can just check both the unboxing videos for full details, and if possible I'll attach this in the view products also. Check for the more details. Now I just switch off the tap and made sure this pipe is totally dried up, because even there is small wetness this glue won't work. So with the dry cloth, what I did is I completely wiped out all the wetness and I kept it under the sun for like 10 to 15 minutes so that it gets completely dried up. After that, with the brush which is included with the package of the gum, I'll apply that on the breakage of the pipe. Actually this pipe became old, that's the reason, due to the sun and everything it got break, and within that break this water is getting leaked. So what I did is I made sure that it is completely filled up with the gum, the transparent water glue gum. And what I'll do is I'll leave it like this for 2 to 3 hours in the sun so that it should get dried up completely. Okay, just I'll be back after 2 hours. Okay, this is after 2 hours and this is got completely dried up. What I'll do is I'll take a small thread. I'll use the threading process, because just with only applying the gum it won't work at all. Okay, what I did is I applied the thread and I'm doing the second coating. Okay, after that what I'll do is I'll do the same process with some cloth also. So this cloth, I again left this for 15 minutes and this got dried up, and now I applied this cloth thread, and again this is the third coating, you can say. Very little amount only, but I leave this for one day and the next day we'll check the output. And I request you all one thing: if you feel this video is helpful for you or informative at least, please do hit a like, that would be a great help. So this is the next day morning. Okay, this is completely dried up. Don't use while you apply this application. Okay, this should completely get dried up. Let me turn on the tap. Yeah, the water is okay, and see here, to my surprise there is not even a single drop of water. So this has perfectly worked, but you need to use the threading also. Just with the water glue it won't work. Remember that you need to use the threading process also. Means you can arrest small breakages and small leakages. This would work. Yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a like and share it to others, and thanks for watching.